How to solve Snapchat music or audio in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so first thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it like this, and then click on force stop or stop running the app, and then go to the data usage. Make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Now restart your phone and reopen Snapchat and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.